Di
So, I went to Best Buy just to look, and alam niyo naman kung paano nagtatapos yan. I ended up buying the Beats Studio Pro. I've actually been eyeing this for the longest time. As someone na maliit ang ulo, ang hirap humanap ng headphones na hindi maluwag or nalalaglag, especially kapag nagwo-workout. Ito talaga, sakto yung fit. Hindi siya masakit sa ulo, comfy sa ears, and hindi gumagalaw kahit tumatakbo ko. Before this, I was using the Sony WH-CH520. Kaso napahiram ko siya kay Opa one time. Tapos, medyo lumuwag sa akin. Pero okay lang din kasi gusto ko na rin ibigay sa kanya. Hindi kasi siya mahilig bumili para sa sarili niya. Kahit yung headphones niya na tuklap-tuklap na, ginagamit pa rin niya kahit ilang taon na. After that, naghintay talaga ako hanggang mag-sale bago bumili ng bago. To be honest, dream headphones ko talaga itong Beats Studio Pro. Noong bumili ako ng Sony before, ito na talaga yung gusto ko pero hindi na kaya ng budget that time. Kaya sobrang saya ko na finally, nabili ko na siya, especially dahil naka-sale pa. I tried on a bunch of different headphones while I was at the Best Buy. Of course, I had to try the Sony XM6 since it's been trending everywhere lately. It was really nice and I totally get the hype pero medyo malaki yung ear cups for me. And mas mahal din. I also tried the Beats Solo 4 and honestly, okay din siya. Especially if you're on a budget and maliit din yung head mo like me. But in the end, I still chose the Studio Pro because the fit was just better for me. It's more comfortable on my ears, it stays secure even while working out, and the active noise cancelling was exactly what I was looking for. I'm also the type of person who likes to try things before buying, especially kapag ganito kamahal. I wanted to compare my options first para wala akong what if after buying. One of my favorite features is how easy it is to switch between noise cancelling and transparency mode. After connecting the headphones, open mo lang yung Bluetooth settings and makikita mo na agad yung controls. You can customize the listening modes, check the battery level, and adjust the settings based on your preference. I also like that it works seamlessly with both Apple and Android devices. I honestly didn't think I'd use transparency mode that much, pero ang useful pala niya. Hindi mo na kailangan tanggalin yung headphones kapag may kumakausap sa'yo or may announcement, especially kapag nasa airport, coffee shop, or even habang nag-aaral. Everything is straightforward din, so kahit first time mong gumamit ng Beats, hindi siya complicated setup. Iba talaga ang energy kapag may magandang music habang nagwo-workout, lalo na kapag heavy lifting day. Parang bigla kang naging main character sa sarili mong montage. Half the battle is mental, and honestly, your biggest enemy is your own mind. Pero once the playlist hits, biglang feeling mo kaya mong i-lift ang buong gym. Tapos reality check, warm-up set pa lang pala. Pero seryoso, ang sarap mag-workout kapag hindi mo iniisip kung mahuhulog ba yung headphones mo o kailangan mong ayusin every few seconds. For me, the right fit matters more than the hype. Kaya hindi talaga ako bumibili dahil lang sa hype. Mas importante sa akin kung magiging comfortable at practical para sa lifestyle ko. Funny enough, pag open ko ng box, 8% battery na lang siya. Gagamitin ko pa naman siya agad sa gym. So, chinarge ko muna siya sa car hanggang mga around 25%. After almost 3 hours sa gym, pag-check ko, 22% pa rin yung battery. Hindi pa nga siya fully charged noon. So, imagine kung 100% talaga, feeling ko ilang gym sessions pa bago ko ulit isipin mag-charge. Actually, charge ko siya kanina. And wala pang 30 minutes, full charge na. Ay, dang! Talagang worth it. Another thing I like was that complete na rin yung nasa box. May kasama na siyang USB-C charging cable and 3.5mm audio cable. So, pwede mo rin siyang gamitin wired if ever gusto mo. Tinry ko rin yung AirPods sa store pero feeling ko hindi talaga siya para sa akin. For me, parang madali siyang mahulog, especially kung gagamitin ko siya sa gym. Tapos ang mahal pa. So, gusto ko talagang bumili ng something na alam ko magiging comfortable at sulit for my lifestyle. Yung Apple wired AirPods ko naman, ginagamit ko pa rin siya for school, work, gala, or kapag manonood lang sa phone. Pero pagdating sa workouts, over-ear wireless headphones talaga yung preference ko. Kasi mas comfortable at hindi ko iniisip na mahuhulog habang gumagalaw. At the end of the day, iba-iba talaga tayo ng preference. What works for someone else may not work for me, and that's okay. Kaya gusto ko talagang sinusubukan muna bago bumili. Especially kapag investment piece siya. So if maliit din yung ulo mo like me and naghahanap ka ng headphones na secure, comfy, may great sound quality, active noise cancelling, at perfect for workouts, I definitely recommend checking out the Beats Studio Pro, especially if maabutin mo siyang naka-sale. Definitely no regrets. It was worth the wait.